And this is a finished product. First time startup. Let's see how it sounds. Today is exciting because the S4 is finally going to whine a little bit louder and hopefully perform a little bit better, because we are getting a proper cold air intake designed specifically for the S4. And I hope it also improves performance, because the current one that we have is a silicone hose DIY kind of intake. It works for what it's supposed to do, because initially I had an OEM intake and it got damaged for some reason. Then I opted for the silicone hose intake that worked. So now hopefully the one that's going to be designed today is going to work even better. So let's head down there and see what we come up with at the end of this video. Not sure if you can hear the whine. It's there. I can hear it inside the car, but it's not as loud. Hopefully with the new intake, the S4 will whine a little bit more and perform a little bit better as well. I'm now here at the workshop, and the old intake has already been taken out of the car, so the work is about to begin to install the new one. So just have to wait and see how the new one looks like. Hopefully it's going to perform better than the current one or the old one. Well, this is the progress so far on the intake. It looks really nice, and also have a nice logo over there. It's quite cool, like it. It really changes how the S4 engine bay looks, really. I love how it is. He's almost done, so the one thing that's left now is just to scotch brush everything, clean it up, and then weld everything up together. Then we should be good. Then we'll test it out and hear how much whine we get of the supercharger and the performance as well. So this is gonna look nice. Hopefully it's gonna sound nice as well. Love that logo, very nice. And this is a finished product. It really looks nice. Get that purple and orange. No, it really looks nice. Look at the purple and the orange. Now these bits are really nice. Let me get into the details. Now it really looks nice. Love it. Here, let me show you the other side. Now it looks proper. It really looks nice. I'm happy right now, and just waiting for it to cool down. Then final cleaning, final touch-ups, then it's gonna go onto the car. Now it really looks nice. I can't wait to hear how this is going to whine. Okay, the intake is done. Now first time startup, let's see how it sounds. Hopefully it sounds nicer than the silicone hose that I had. It sounds nice.
Did it sound as loud before?
No, I didn't. There you have it, guys. The new intake on the supercharged S4 is complete finally on the car. It sounds awesome, way better than before. And I think the red really matches, really makes it look awesome. Love that. The TPH builds, they really brought it down, and we've got a very nice, well-designed intake for the S4. And I've got the man here, Adrian, he's gonna give us a few words.
Fusi won a intake at the Audi Dyno Day, and unfortunately we had to prolong it a little bit, but that's life. But he had a full 76mm a silicone intake on the car before, and we were just talking about how under full throttle, you know, how silicone can actually restrict because of the pressure and the amount of air flowing into the pipe. So yeah, we discussed a kind of design and we just implemented it. It is a 76 to 89mm silicone that went onto the throttle body. And then from there, we basically then designed a full 89mm transitioning into 100mm. And then the BMC air filter is pretty much 100mm. So now you've got a full solid design where it is 89 to 100mm. So you actually have more airflow in the actual air intake as well. So yeah, car should be louder, should perform much better as well. So Fusi will obviously give us some feedback as he drives the car during the week.
Appreciate it, man.
No, 100%.
Good work, well done. And obviously I'm gonna spread the word.
Exhausts, intercooler kits, intakes, kind of anything that you can think of, we can help you guys.
Awesome,
cool.
Awesome. I'll drop his details down in the description box, and you can contact him directly if you need any work done. My new intake looks awesome. I love it. Thanks to TPH Build and Adrian for putting out such a masterpiece. I'm happy right now, and I'm about to take this thing for a drive and sort of like feel how it performs. Obviously, it's not going to be a massive change, but there must be more air coming in. So I can't wait to do that. I have a new intake now that sounds awesome, and I just need to find the right place just to test it. Obviously within the speed limit. I'm not gonna exceed the speed limit, but it really sounds awesome. So I've got the windows closed right now, and I just need to drive a little bit further, and let's hear it. Oh, sounds awesome. I don't know if you can hear it on camera, but it really sounds nice. Nah, I'm happy right now. This intake is properly done, properly designed. It looks amazing. I think everything about it is just great. Love the workmanship, love how it looks, I love the design. So no, I'm happy right now. It really sounds nice. I'll find a nice place where I'll do like a few drive-bys so that you can hear that supercharger whine. Is way louder, more clearer, and the response, the car responds a little bit better with a proper intake, of course. There's more air coming in, which is what we're after as well, so that the car can perform as it should. Oh, that whine. No, that whine sounds really nice. Oh, okay. The response is a little bit better as well on this car. I don't know, maybe I'm just biased because the new intake, but the response feels much better than before. Supercharger sounds louder, and the throttle response is much better on this car now with this proper intake. I think it makes a huge difference because from the size difference, 76mm, that was quite small, to a 89mm, that's way bigger now. No, it sounds awesome. No, it really sounds nice. I love it. I just came back from a test drive now, and I must say I love the new intake. I love the noises it makes. I love the Supercharger Whine. I just love the performance that it brings out of this car, which is why I'm saying I think the response is a little bit better on this car. Obviously, I haven't tested it with a measuring device to see exactly how much it does 0 to 100, but overall I think the performance is better. It really feels different. It really feels more alive, more responsive, better than before. I've always wanted to have an intake on this car just for that Supercharger Whine, and now I have it. I really love how this engine bay is coming along nicely, and this metal piece actually transforms it and completes the whole look inside here. I love it. It's quite nice. And this filter goes with the 2 red pieces, and the coil packs, and the blue goes with the blue over there in that other cover or cap. It's quite nice. I love how it is. I love how it's transforming. I love how it's coming along nicely. And I think the engine bay is done for now. I don't think there's anything else that I'll need to do in here, unless if it's something that has to do with performance, which might happen, it might not happen. So stay tuned for if it happens or not. But for now, I think the cosmetics are done in the engine bay. I'm happy with how it looks, I'm happy with how it is, and I'm happy with how it performs, because this actually unlocked a bit of performance, a bit of response. The car is more sharper now because there's more air coming into the engine, which is nice, and that transforms into power, which is quite cool. And with all that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Click on that bell to be notified as soon as I upload a new video, and I'll catch you next time.